Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. In this video, I will create an animated neon sign in After Effects. So without further ado, let's get started. First, I will create a new composition and rename as main composition. Duration is 10 seconds, which is good. I will add a background layer. And also another layer to overlay it. Now changing its color to dark blue or violet. Creating a mask over it. Increasing the feather. Change the mode to add and reduce opacity a bit. So our background is ready. Now creating a shape for neon sign using pen tool. So our initial shape for neon sign is created. Now it's time to add some elements and text to it. Adding trim path to animate this circle. And here I will stop at 83% and I will set the offset at -67. So our first element is now added. Now I will add this same circle element at the other side of this shape. I will duplicate it by pressing Ctrl D. And I will change the offset there. Okay, now I will add some other elements like triangles. And I will apply the trim path effect to them. And I will change the offset angle. Okay, also adding the round corners to round the corners a bit. Now I will duplicate this triangle to create some more. I will increase its size and change the rotation angle. Again, duplicate it by pressing Ctrl D. and decrease its size. Rotate it to this angle. So our shapes are ready. I will duplicate them again and place them to the other side. And changing their angle. Changing the offset path for each of these elements. So our shape is now ready. I will add some text to it. I will add the text. We'll change the color to white. Align them and change the font. For special, I will use Antonio font. And for deal, I will use a font Satisfy. Now I will ease these keyframes that I have animated for the shape layers by pressing F9. And the last, I will add trim path to animate our box. Now it's time to give them a look like a neon style, and for that purpose we will use effect that is called glow, and I will show you that how you will apply settings on this glow effect. Now duplicate again this glow effect and change some more settings. So as you can see, now neon effect is applied. Now I will apply the neon effect to these elements. I will copy these effects and paste them to the changing to color some blue. Copy these effects and paste to the other elements. So our shapes and element is now animated and also has neon glow effect. Now it's time to animate this text using the same glow effect with a little change in settings. Duplicating this effect. Changing the fill layer to stroke to see the effect. I have again duplicated this glow effect. Now copy these effects and paste them to the teal and change the color. And change the fill to stroke. Now you can see it is neon style and also animated. Now it's time to add some flickering to the special deal text. For that purpose we will use this AB midtone. We will use it to animate it. Now I will duplicate these keyframes so that it will give a little flickering effect. So you can see it has little flickering. We will apply the same flickering effect to the deal text. For that we will use this keyframe on AB midpoint and AB midpoint, and first set them 0 and then increase them to 100 on very next frame. And duplicate them by pressing Ctrl D. Now change the opacity to appear them. So you can see these are animated. Now it's time to animate some of these elements in rotation. I will animate them using rotation. So you can see now these are animated, and now I need to animate these circles. So you can see our neon sign is animated and completed. You can make further tweaks in the brightness and this radius intensity of this glow effect. So I hope that you like the video. Please do subscribe and share with others. Until then, I will see you in next video.